So what I'm going to show you now is what you call goal seek. Let's say I have an equation, x plus 2 equals to 4. So what is the value of x? So some of you guys might say, hey, this is easy, right? The answer is 2. But what if the function is something more complicated than this? Then it's not that easy to solve it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how goal seek can be used to solve these kind of functions. So I'm going to give a cell. This cell, I'm going to define it as x. And I'm going to give a value of 0, just an initial value. And this I'm going to define as the function, x plus 2. And I'm going to give it a formula, x plus 2. So now you get 2 as a value. And now I'm going to click on this cell, which I'm trying to find. Click on what if analysis, goal seek. And you're going to see three values that I have to fill in. So the first value is set cell. So this cell is, I want it to be 4. So I'm going to click on this button and select this cell. Right, so you're going to see that I have selected cell as L7. And to value, I'm going to put my target value, which is 4. And by changing cell, I'm going to select the cell that I want to change, which is the cell containing the value of x, which is this, this cell, L6. And then I just click on OK. So I get the answer 2 inside the cell containing x. And I get the target value of 4 inside the function that I want to, inside the equation that I want to make it equal to 4. So this is a very, very simple introduction of what is goal seek.